How to mark an email as spam in Zoho Mail. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you tired of unwanted emails cluttering your inbox? If yes, then follow through this step to mark an email as spam from your inbox. First of all, open your Zoho Mail app on your device and log in. Once you're inside your inbox after logging in, go ahead and find the unwanted email in your inbox list. Since I only have one email, I'm just going to select the only email just to show it to you. Once you find the email, go ahead and press and hold it. And once it is selected, go to the bottom right corner and tap the three dots. Now in the expanded menu, go ahead and scroll down and click on Mark as Spam. Now the selected email will be moved to your spam folder. The email will disappear from your inbox and it heads straight to the spam folder. Zoho will also learn from this. Future emails from that sender are more likely to be caught automatically inside the spam. You can also bulk select multiple emails at once and send it to your spam folder by following this step. So that is how you easily spam an email on Zoho Mail. Now, if you ever want to mark the email as not spam, or if you want to get it back on your inbox, then go to the email tab at the bottom left and look for this spam folder, click on it, and then press and hold the email inside your spam, and then click on the three dots at the bottom right and click on Mark Not as Spam. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see the email back in your inbox. So that's how you easily spam an email from your Zoho Mail inbox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.